natural home remedy, a natural recipe. All right, it won't take too long. It's going to be a quick recipe, and it's going to be very simple, as I mentioned before. So we're just going to jump straight into it and show you. But this one right here is one which you can get a lot of energy from. If you are looking for energy at home, then this is something which I would encourage you to do. You want to get extra power, extra energy, then try these ingredients at home, and it will 100% help you at home. Now, oats promote weight loss. Oats is also help you to reduce your cholesterol. And also we got the fruits and we got the chopped nuts. I did the video the other day and we were talking about weight loss, how you can lose weight from all of these ingredients right here. But what we're going to do today, we're going to be showing you how you can get extra power, extra energy. A lot of people, when they wake up in the morning, they feel tired, they feel stressed, they feel like they do a 12, a 19, or a 20-hour job. That means probably you have too much cholesterol in your body. So your body is telling you something is wrong. So what you can do, you can also drink up a lot of oats porridge. Oats porridge is very good. You got a lot of benefit into the oats. We're going to jump straight into it, and we're going to be showing you how to make this one this morning. Remember to get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. You know what I mean? You can get it on Amazon right here. All right. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video this morning is for you to understand that if you wake up this morning and you feel tired, you just not have no energy, you feel drained, just feel stagnant, then I'm telling you what you need to do is high cholesterol can be there. Your body is telling you something is not right. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you a few things that you can do to correct it at home. So let's jump straight into it and make this one. Let's put this one side and this one side. Get my medium-sized pot. Where's my medium-sized pot? So we're going to be using this one. All right. Get this one right here. All right. That's looking out a little bit much better. Yeah, especially on the Monday morning, a lot of people doesn't feel no energy, no power in the Monday morning, because that's what happened on Monday morning. For some reason, Monday morning is a day where people just feel stagnant, and it's not easy. All right, so we're gonna show you something what you guys can, do at home, and it's going to be helping you 1,000,000%. Honestly, you will be surprised what's going to happen this morning if you ever wake up. Don't go to the supermarket and buy the one that have sugar in it, because that's gonna just help you for, make you even get worse. You want to buy some organic oats. So if you got the sugar one, chuck out the sugar one and get organic oats, proper good organic stuff from the health shop. All right. So right here we got the medium-sized pot. And what we're going to do, all on the first, let's jump straight into this and an amazing, credible recipe today with you guys. All right. So yeah, things looking good. So let's get the almond milk. All right. So we got the almond milk. So we're gonna put roughly about a cup of almond milk right here. So this almond milk does not got no sugar. It's also stretched, no sugar into it, 100%. All right, you can see it right here, SUGAR. There's no sugar in it. All right, so that's good. All right. So if you're going to, you can either use water or you can use almond milk or your oats milk. All right, you don't want to be using cow's milk. You want to use almond milk, which is very, very good. All right, but at the same time, what kind of milk? What is that? That's almond milk. Almond milk. All right, so what you're gonna do, we're gonna get a couple tablespoons of oats and put it straight inside of a pot. That's 1, 2, roughly just 3 tablespoons of oats straight into the pot. All right, just like that. Very, very simple little recipe like this at home. All right, you guys can do, and it doesn't complicate it. And you're gonna see how easy this just works out amazing for you. I did a video on it a couple days ago, and we were talking about how you can lose weight and lower your cholesterol. But now we are doing energy, because you can get a lot of energy from oats. You don't have to take energy pill, energy drink, drinking coffee first thing in the morning for getting energy. You can put in natural stuff like what I'm doing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very good for weight loss also. Inside of it, a pinch of this is not the egg, just a little pinch of it. All right, just to bring in the flavor to it. A little bit of mixed spice. Do not put any salt. All right, let's start mixing that inside of it. Simple, but I'm gonna tell you this, guys, it is just something totally different, all right, for a lot of people. So we got all of that ingredients into it. Cinnamon, leave out the cinnamon. All right. Very, very simple recipe like this can make the difference at home for a lot of people this morning. All right, I'm telling you guys, honestly, as you can see it for yourself, that is just so, it's a basic recipe, but it's so effective, very good for the immune system, and it will help you at home. Lovely. So as you can see, it's coming to a boil, and it don't take too long. It doesn't take too long. All right, it is simple, as you can see right here, the oats porridge. Many people make it different. They can add, some people put coconut milk in it, but we are just simply giving you the basic package this morning. If we take it into the Jamaican way, it's a different way we'd have to do it. All right, so the most important thing you don't want to do is to use the one we have the sugar, the one of them just break it down and then put the sugar and you just put it into your microwave for 2 minutes. You do not want to use that one. You want to use proper good organic oats, and you can use whole wheat oats, which is even good also. That's one of the main things you want to do. As you can see, it's coming there. Lovely. And that looking really nice. This is just a basic recipe, guys, but it's very, very powerful and effective. Right, so here it is. All right. And that looks amazing right there, see? You see that? That's all you need right here. It doesn't take too long, guys. Very, very basic recipe where any one of you can do this at home. Let's turn off the cooker. And it's not something where we're gonna be cooking for the whole morning. Turn off the heat, take this off the cooker, And let's go to the next part now. All right, let's remove this and put this right here. All right, lovely. So I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing right here, just to make you see exactly what's going on. Little bit like it brown, you know what I mean? But it's the cinnamon and the spice inside of it. All right, that's what makes it giving it that kind of color right here. But this is what you want to see right here. That is such an amazing recipe, honestly. So what we're gonna do, we're going to simple share it up. As I said, I did it before, but we only was just talking about weight loss and cholesterol, and you know, but now we are going to talk about energy, because a lot of people don't know that these things give you energy. If you wake up and feel slobby in the morning, you know what I mean, you feel tired, like you just do a 12-hour job, then this is something which I would encourage you to do at home, all right? 100%. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna share it up, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some of my favorite blueberry. We're gonna put some banana inside of it, some raspberry inside of it, few chopped nuts inside of it, and then now what we're going to do, pour that beautiful oats porridge inside of it like this. You see? Just like this. So, just like that. Honestly, put that in the sink. All right. Now, finished off on top of it with some more of your blueberry. You can put strawberry. I don't have any in right now. And some more raspberry on top of it, just like this. Just to show you guys what you guys can have at home. We got some slices of banana. These banana are almost green. They're not even ripe 100%, because when they ripe, too much ripe banana doesn't, you know what I mean, you want to eat it like when it's green. Get some chopped nuts and put it on top of it like this. All right, lovely. Look at that. That is amazing. And then you want to just finish it off with a little bit of cinnamon on top of it like this. Oh, that is amazing. As I said before, I did it the other day, but if you are looking for a beautiful breakfast in the morning, I want to encourage you. This is something you guys need to can have in the morning. A lot of people eat many different things in the morning for breakfast, but I'm giving you some tips and ideas which is going to help you in the morning. You don't have to wake up in the morning and grab a bacon, fried egg, and all of these things. You can eat a nice, lovely bowl of porridge with a lot of fruits inside of it and get yourself some energy. You don't need to drink coffee first thing in the morning, and you know what I mean, coffee, you don't want to do that, guys. You know what I mean? You don't want to go down that level, that road. You want to do something healthy and delicious in the morning like this. Now, this is another thing what I normally do. If you are using good organic honey, this is even honey. If you can get good organic honey from your local farmer, then trust me, you get extra energy, where you can just go right here like this and put yourself a nice, lovely teaspoon of organic honey on top of it like this. That's gonna give you even more energy. If you don't believe me, you can do your own research for yourself and see. And we got the cinnamon on it also, which promote weight loss. Very effective breakfast, very good, and I will encourage you to give this a try. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. The book is available over there on my website on Amazon, chefricardo.co.uk. Go over and check it out, guys. Let me know, what do you think about this simple little breakfast? Take less than few minutes for you to make at home. All you have to do is have the ingredients and make it. Do not use the microwave in oats. Microwave oats, too much sugar and too much things in that one. You want to buy good, proper, organic oats to make this one. You need energy, you need power. I'm telling you, trust me, this is what you need. If you need energy and power, if you wake up in the morning and you feel slugger, you feel